Also, while I wait. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I'm Paba. I'm currently working as a brand and web designer and a web developer. But this series is not about that. So I'm so excited to start this series because this is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I didn't have time. I think I was interested in learning Arduino since 2016 2017 or something, but I never had the chance. Life got in the way. And however, finally this year I made it a new year resolution to finally learn Arduino. But I must tell you that this is not something that I wanted to do as a career or something. It's just my passion, and I just want to learn this as a hobby. So I went shopping and ordered some basic Arduino kits that I need to start building and start learning. And I'm so excited to open this with you. I didn't even open this yet because I wanted to document everything and like do everything in the video. So yeah, let's first unpack this and see what I have bought as a beginner. So I ordered some of the basic Arduino things like R3, a small display, male to female and female to male wire, switches, some sensors and things like that. It's a sensor, I don't remember exactly which sensor, but yeah, it's a sensor. These are some sensors. The breadboard, yeah, actually I have bought a smaller breadboard than I have imagined, but it's okay. I can do with this. And this is let me okay, but if I unpack this, it will be unpacked, so I will just show you like this. It's the water level sensor. This is the cable. So this is the most important thing, microcontroller. This is Uno R3. I couldn't get my hands on an original Arduino Uno R3 because it was out of stock. Let's check this out. So it's a small microcontroller, and this is the cable for that. And then I ordered some lights. These things I forgot the name. Okay, I forgot the name. And also some switches, if you can I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, some switches as well. So yeah, now we have unboxed everything and I have everything I need to get started to build my first project. And that won't be a huge thing because I just want to learn everything and check everything works and like learn the basics. But my goal is to build a Tamagotchi, and that's why I bought everything including displays and all. But yeah, I'm not building the Tamagotchi today. I'm just trying this out and test it. So I have already watched a few tutorials on how to connect everything, what IDE I need and everything, but I haven't installed the IDE. Also, while I wait for these to arrive, I also found an online simulator to learn Arduino. So I tried that as well and tried lighting a few bulbs and all, and that's it. But if you want the link for that website, let me know and I will put it in the comments. So yeah, let's get started building now. Okay, so it finally downloaded. I'm going to install this now. And it's done. I now need to connect my Uno R3 to my computer and see if this works. So yeah, so for that I'm going to use this dock to connect Uno R3 to this, and then it's going on my laptop. So yeah, let's see. I don't know what will happen, but let's see. Oh, it's working. So this is the first example that everyone does, and you can actually change the timing of this light blinking. So I'm going to try that out. So all I have to do is change the code into a different timer. Okay, now it's blinking faster because the timing is fast. Okay, now my first project, it can't, okay, I can't say it's the first project because it's not that much, but the first thing is done. First example, trying out it for the first time is done. Now I have to take this to the next level. Okay, so I unplugged the Uno R3 because it's recommended to plug everything after unplugging it. I don't know. I'm going to use the breadboard and try another simple thing where I will use an LED and a resistor and some wires to create like lighting a bulb. Okay, the next step is adding a switch to this and test this out. Okay, so I added the switch to the bulb. I'm not sure if this works, so let's see. It's not working. I cannot really figure out the wiring because this board doesn't have consecutive lines. Okay, after some trial and error, I finally found what was the issue. So in my breadboard, all the plus minus sections are not connected, they are separated. So I had to connect between the lines to make the current flow, and the switch works. So thank you so much for staying throughout the video. For today I'm going to end the video here, and next time I will try out maybe trying to write a small Tamagotchi with the display, but I have so much to learn in between. And if you have suggestions like to create small cute project ideas, feel free to comment them and I will definitely try to do them as well as a learning experience, of course. So yeah, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.